Julie here from Fitmize, optimizing your humanness, how you move matters. And today I wanted to go over a quick taping job for bunions. Just got a new shipment of rock tape, so it's digit tape. I'm really excited, so I just want to do a quick video for you to see how I want to use it. So basically what I'm going to do is I've actually cut my 2 strips already, so when you use rock tape you want to make sure you round the edges so it doesn't catch. But basically what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to show you real quick, is I want to, so you can see with my foot I have a bunion that is getting better over time. I've been working on it a lot. My foot used to be much more like this last year, but now I'm working on getting it better, straighter, but just to use a little bit of rock tape if I can to get it straighter. So what I wanna do is I wanna start off with, I'm just gonna cut off one edge of the tape here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna anchor it on the inside of my toe, like this, okay? And just keep that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull back the tape. And then what I want to do is pull my foot straight, or pull my toe so that it's straight. And then I'm going to have it curve around over the bunion and pull it right up into straight up my foot. So here you just got to rub it in to make sure it activates. So we want to do that. Okay. And then I want to do this other one. So you can see right now, like right now, my toe feels that much better. Like it's holding straight. I don't have to do anything about it. I just put my foot down and it's keeping my toe straight. So that alone might be very helpful. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to reverse it. So I'm going to do one coming out over here. And yeah, so we're going to wrap it around the other way. So again, I undo a piece of the end. And then I'm going to start top of my toe. Go underneath here, and then what I want to do is I want to make sure I pull my toe straight, and then I want to lay it down, lay down the tape, so you can see this, lay down the tape, and then I pull it like this, pull it on straight, just like that. So I get a little bit straighter, a little bit more support, a little bit more strength, keeping that big toe straight. So I'm going to try this out. I've never done it before, but why not try it? Probably won't hurt. So hope you like this. Make sure you hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.